Hello everyone, welcome to Legacy IAS. Okay, so we were done with the all the theory of average chapter. We had seen some questions also, including PYQs. Now some more PYQs we'll see. We'll completely see all the PYQs of average. Okay, over a course of few lectures or few videos. Okay, let's get started now. Here, this is a question from CSAT 2024. Now, the question says, consider the following. Weight of 6 boys is equals to weight of 7 girls is equals to weight of 3 men, weight of 4 women. If the average weight of the women is 63 kg, then what is the average weight of the boys? Okay. Now, I assume that the average weight of boys is equals to B, of girls is equals to G, of men is equals to M, and of women is equals to W. Correct? I can assume these to be their average weights. Now, according to this, now see, weight of 6 boys will be what? Sum is equals to average into number. Now, average of 6 boys. What is the average weight of boys? B. Now, into 6. So, 6B is the sum of the weight of 6 boys or weight of 6 boys. Now, this is given equivalent to weight of 7 girls. 7 girls means average is G, and how many are there for this average? 7. So, this becomes equal to 7G. Then next is equals to 3M similarly, and next is equals to 4W similar. Now, once you get this equality, now it is given if the average weight of women is 63 kg. That means W is given to be 63 kg. So I will simply write, in place of W, I will write 63. And now, what is asked? What is the average weight of the boys? That means B's value is asked. So I will equate the term 6B with whatever is given. So this becomes 6B is equals to 4 into 63. In place of W, I have put 63. Now, how many times this will go? This will go 3 times with 2. This will go 2 times with 2. Then 3 ones are, and this goes 2 times 1 time. What you get? B is equals to 2 into 21. That is equals to 42 kg. So answer becomes average weight of boys is actually 42 kg. Okay. Now next. Now, this is a question from CSAT 2022. What it says, the average weight of ABC is 40 kg. Okay, fine. Then the average weight of BDE is 42 kg. This is also fine. Then, and the weight of F is equal to that of B. What is the average weight of A, B, C, D, E, F? That means average weight of all of them put together will be what? Okay. Now, what is asked from you? A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F by how many are there? 6. This value is asked from you. Now, we had seen one similar question with respect to salaries. 7 technicians has this much salary, 15 managers have this much salary, then the rest of the employees have this much salary, total was given. So similarly, we will be doing it here also. So what you have to do, I have to somehow create these terms. Now see how I'll create them. First thing that is given to you is average weight of ABC is 40 kg. Now ABC's average is equals to 40 kg. Now you know what? Sum is equals to average into number. You know this, average is equals to sum upon number. This only, if I send n there, this becomes sum is equals to average into number. Now what is their average? Average is 40. Okay, and how many are there? 1, 2, 3. We are talking about 3 people. So A, B, and C. So into 3. This sum comes out to be 120. You understand this? So in place of ABC, what I'll write? I will directly write 120 plus. Now D, E, F I don't know. D, E, F I don't know. Now how do I find D, E, F? The sum. Now see, the average weight of B, D, and E is 42 kg. Okay, so now What you want? You want D, E and F. What is given? B, D and E. Average of B, D and E's average is given as 42. So this is 42 kg. Now, there is one more very important line given here, that the weight of F is equal to B. The weight of F is equal to B. That means B can be replaced by F anytime. So I can literally replace this F by B or B by F, whatever. So I am replacing F by B here, because B and F have same weight. Now it becomes what? This becomes BDE average is given. Now sum is equals to average into number. What is the average? Average is 42. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. So this becomes 42 into 3. 42 into 3 will be equal to 126. Correct? So this becomes 126. Now instead of BDE value I got, I will put it here. So BDE I will put it here. So this becomes 120 plus 126 by 6. This becomes 246 by 6. How many times this will go? This will go one time, this will go 4 times, and what will remain? Nothing, and then 6 goes one time. So this comes out to be 41 kg. Answer becomes 41 kg. Of course, this is all done to explain you how you should have done this. A plus B plus C, DEF, A plus B plus C value, you directly know 40 into 3 is 120. Then DEF, you see F and B is equal. So this is actually BDE. BDE is what? 42 into 3. So 120 plus 126 by 6. Directly get to the answer. This is how you should do in the exam. Okay, then next. Yeah. Next is this question. What it says? There are two classes A and B having 25 and 30 students respectively. Okay. There are two classes A and B having 25 and 30 students respectively. In class A, the highest score is 21. Okay. So I'm drawing class A and this is class B. Here the highest score is 21, and the lowest score is 17. Then in class B, the highest score is 30. So this is 30, and the lowest score is what? Lowest score is 22. Highest score is 30, lowest score is 22. Now, can you observe one thing right away, that the highest of A is still less than lowest of B. Correct? This is still less than lowest of B. Now, that means, now next thing, what it is doing, 4 students are shifted from class A to class B. 4 students are shifted from here to here. 4 students. Now, one thing you understand, that if I have taken average of 10 quantities, okay, 10 observation, let's say 10 students are there, I have taken their average weight. Okay, so sum of all their weights, whatever. Now, if I include one more new fat kid in it, okay, then the overall average will increase. Why? Because that fat kid will have more average weight than all of them, so it will increase the average. Now if I include one more very thin kid in the group, then what will happen? The average will decrease. That means when you include a person with a higher value to a group, then the average increases. When you include a person lower than the average weight of the group, then the weight becomes what? It will decrease. Correct? Now here, see, because the highest is still less than the lowest, so let's say I pick the highest weight guy from A class, then also he will be lower than the average weight of class B. That is why addition of all these 4 students to here will decrease the average of class B. So it will decrease the average of class B. Okay. Now, so what it says, consider the following statement: the average score of class B will definitely decrease. Yes. Why? Because even the highest of A is less than lowest of B. So it will definitely decrease. Then the average score of class A will definitely increase. Can we say this? average score of class A will definitely increase. We cannot say this with certainty. Why? Because highest is 21, lowest is 17. Now, if I take I take 4 students who got 17 marks. Now I take them out. Now what will happen? Because they were the lower ones, now the average will increase. So this is for sure, the average of class A will increase. But if I take out the ones which have the highest weight in it, then you are actually taking out the higher numbered people. Then what will happen? The average of A will decrease. That is, it depends on which person you take out. That is why the average score of class A will definitely increase. No, it depends. Based on you have picked the highest marked student or lowest marked student. Understood? So first is correct, second is incorrect. Answer becomes A1 only. Okay, we'll continue with the PYQs in the next video as well. Thank you.